What's up guys, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on ClickBank using Twitter, something that no one talks about, and I'm going to show you how to do it free, and I'm going to show you how to do it fast. So without any further ado, make sure to smash that like button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going into Twitter, right? And then all you want to do is hit explore, okay? Now you want to think of like some things people would be typing in, and then try and find a product that we could sell to them. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing something a little different. And it's going to make more sense in a minute, so just stick with me, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're just going to search Twitter, maybe for something like, I need to lose weight. Oh, I spelled that wrong. I need to lose weight. Okay, so right here you can see all these people typing like, I need to lose weight, LMAO, I left myself go, I'm legit a fat now. Like, okay. So you're obviously not going to go in here and be like, yeah, you're fat, buy my product. Like, no, don't do that. I mean, come on, that's just ridiculous. But I'm going to show you a way to actually do this and actually sound ethical and smart and make it work, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going over to ClickBank. We're going to go to Affiliate Marketplace, all right? They have tons of programs right here. And again, if you're new here, affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and you get paid. It's simple. You're just the middleman. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go here to, where is it? Health and fitness. And then we're going to go to diets and weight loss. And if you don't know about ClickBank, I'll link up above to a complete ClickBank tutorial showing you how to make money with ClickBank. But what you want to do here is you want to go to gravity. And what gravity means is it's basically what people are promoting and having the most success with, okay? So you just want to go in here and try and find a product that will resonate with it. So for example, with what people are saying here, if they're like, oh, I need to lose weight, but I love food too much, or I need to lose weight, but I don't want to work out, then you have like different ideas of like different products that you could get them to do, right? So for people that love food too much, maybe they could do the keto diet. I'm sure they got, yeah, the custom keto diet, right? So you can still eat some pretty good food with the keto diet, right? And for people that are too lazy to work out, maybe do something like the smoothie diet, right? So it's pretty simple, and they also have affiliate pages. So if you want to open up the affiliate page, you can check out kind of the stuff they have. They tell you how much you make, the percentages, stuff like that. And then to get the affiliate tools, you can just sign in right here. So we'll just type in this stuff. And then right here, they'll show you the funnel, like the front end product, the upsells, etc., etc. And they'll tell you what's working, how to make money, stuff like that, the demographic, and all that stuff. And then they actually have some pre-sale articles where you can link them to this. And then rather than linking straight to a product, you can be like, hey, I just read this blog, check this out. And they can read this blog. And then if they want to purchase through this, because you already know it resonates with them because they want to lose weight, and this is about losing weight, you know it's going to work, right? And it may not work with everyone, but trust me, I'm going to explain it a little more, but just you can start seeing how this will work, right? All right. So anyways, you could use this product. You could use any of the other ones, right? So let's just say we're going to be doing the smoothie diet. All right. So to promote it, what you want to do is you want to hit promote right here. You would put your affiliate ID. If you're already signed in, it will already be there, but mine's T Garetz. And if you want, you can put right here like Twitter. So that way, you know, in your like tracking, it's called reporting on ClickBank, it will say who purchased from which link. So if someone bought through this link, you would know that they bought through one of your Twitter comments or Twitter messages or whichever of the ways I'm going to be showing you how to do it, you would know, right? So that's pretty cool. And you don't have to worry about tracking. Seriously, it's not a big deal. And remember, if you wanted to actually send them to these pre-sale pages, you just enter in your affiliate ID and then your tracking right where it shows you. But so what we're going to do is we're going to hit copy. And then there's a couple ways to do this. I personally use ClickMagick, okay? But that's paid. If you do want that software, it's much better than a free software. I'll have to make another video about ClickMagick specifically because it's so powerful. But I'll have it linked down below if you do want it. No big deal. We'll go to a website called bit.ly, bit.ly. I guess they changed it to bit.ly.com. Either way, you'll get here. And what you're going to do is you're going to paste that link. I just pressed Control and V, okay, and then hit shorten. Now, we have this much better looking link right here. Okay, so we're just going to hit copy. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to find these people and you're going to go in here. All right, so for example, we could comment on this post and be like, hey, Cindy, I think you look great. Right? So don't just be like, yeah, you're fat. Like, no. I mean, she's probably not fat at all, but you know how it is. I mean, we all have our own feelings about ourselves. And even if you're the best looking person and the skinniest person, a lot of the time they still feel fat. So just say, I think you look great. But if you're serious about losing weight, this post really helped me. Or instead of this post, if we're not doing the article, you could be like, this product or this recipe, this challenge really helped me get my health in order and lose weight. Hope that helps. Smiley face or something like that, right? And then what you're gonna do is you could either paste the link, which I did with Control V, or instead of that, you could go this challenge and then in parentheses, you just go like that. So then how long did that take me? 5 seconds, maybe a little longer because I'm explaining it. But literally, you could just do this every day. There's people messaging or writing these things all the time, okay? And so we could go in here and just make sure that you're writing them and not just copy and pasting like, this is the thing that frustrated me. This is why I'm actually making this video. I watched one of these videos and I'm like, are these people like actually serious? They're saying just post your link, hit reply. No, that's a spammy and just no, that's not what you do. Okay, don't do that. That's doesn't work, and they might click on it. Chances of them buying it? No, not happening. You got to come at it like you know how they feel, or like you've been in that situation, right? You understand? So you want to make sure you're reading all of it, and you want to make sure that you're actually like writing their name, right? Like you don't want to, this is one thing when I was, trying to cut corners, for example, I would copy and paste the same message to people on Facebook. And then you copy and paste the same message and forget to change the name. That person's out the window. They're never going to buy anything from you. So make sure you're actually personalizing these, okay? You have to do it. So then you could, instead of I need to lose weight, like how to lose weight. I need to learn how to type. So you're going to find a lot of people. See, look, can someone tell me how to lose my weight? I have 3 months before whatever that is. All right. So seriously, there's so many different keywords. And if you're looking for more like ways to figure out keywords, I'll show you another good website. No one's talking about this. Okay. So I think I got it right here. It's called Answer the Public. Okay. So you're going to see this guy right here. It's a little, oh, what the, no way, dude. Wow. I'm like in shock right now. They used to have this freaky looking old guy. I kind of liked him. He had a huge beard. Now they got this like attractive guy with blue eyes. I don't know what happened here. If you know about Answer the Public, you know what here, let me go to Google real quick. Answer the Public old guy. I don't know. See here, look, images. Look at this is what guy used to be. Anyways, I'll get back to the video. So you see why I was a little surprised here. So anyways, all right, sorry. Back to the video. I'll keep that in just because I'm sure a bunch of people dropped off there, but whatever. So for example, lose weight. All right, so you just go broad with it, because what it's going to do is it's going to figure out some keywords for you, and it's going to be question based, right? So you can see right here, they have lose weight. Okay, then they have will, which, where, can, what, who, when, why, are, how, right? So it's how to lose weight in 4 weeks, how to lose weight in 4 days, etc., etc., etc. And these are all things that people are typing in, legit keywords, okay? You can go to propositions, you can go to comparisons, seriously, alphabeticals. So this is a little easier to read, but you can see like lose weight app, lose weight at home, okay? So for example, just literally, for example, you could go, today I'm gonna do the A's, right? So you do all the A's, and then you go to ClickBank, and then you try and find lose weight app, see if they have any. So look, They have lose weight apps. So then you find one on ClickBank, you promote it, you do the same thing, you generate hop link, you can put Twitter there if you want, you copy it, and you go here and you shorten it. I hope I'm not going too fast for you. If you are, you can just watch it over again. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're getting value out of this, can you please hit the like button? It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'd really appreciate it. But then, again, you just go in here like lose weight app. And sometimes the keyword might not be in there, but you can always find people. You go to latest, see what's the most recent. And a lot of times, a lot of people will just be like spamming stupid stuff. Like, you'll see a lot of that on social media, but you can seriously make so much money doing this if you actually focus on it. And this works with any social platform. I just think Twitter is one that a lot of people aren't talking about. And I see a lot of these videos where people are just like, just showing the wrong way to do things. And it irks me, right? So I want to show you something that actually works and that you can actually do to make money online. And if this isn't for you, my number one recommendation, I mean, ClickBank's great, and I really love ClickBank, but my number one recommendation to grow your online business is the first link in the description. So if you want to check that out instead, it's the challenge that truly changed my life. I would definitely check that out. And besides that, if you want to check out some other videos I did on my channel, check these out. Check these videos out right here. And again, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe by clicking my face right here. If you have any questions, comment down below. That's all I got. See you on the next video.